Hi, I'm Andy and welcome to Volkswagen Camper Adventures.
Hello everybody, and thanks again for joining us at Volkswagen Camper Adventures. Now today is another Vanother collective video, and it's going to be a van tour. Now apart from the chaotic camper vanners with the VW Bay, I think I must have the second smallest camper van motorhome caravan. So I don't think this video is going to take too long. So do enjoy, please subscribe, hit that bell and give the video a like. So Wyatt the T4 is a fully converted 4-berth Volkswagen transporter. It's got full kitchen units. So over here I have a 2-hob gas burner, and in front of that sink, cold running water, plenty of storage. I always think storage is important in camper vans. See a lot of people going around in camper vans without any kind of storage, and it just have the bedding all over the floors, all over the seats. But I mean, our bedding is really packed in to this cupboard. Oh, there we go. But it saves it from being anywhere on the floor, all over the seats, on the back of the hangers. I'll just get all that back inside. Yeah, so in this cupboard we keep all this bedding, sleeping bags, mattress toppers. We've got a battery booster pack just in case ever needed that. Gladly the batteries are pretty good on this van, so we haven't needed that just yet. Above that's a little bit of storage space for some extra little bits. We have some DVDs for us TV on those wet, cold evenings. A battery powered light lantern just in case we're off grid and we can't get any power from anywhere or our batteries have died. Up above cupboard was oh yes, Volkswagen branded dishes, cups, and everything else we needed. Plates, front cupboard, some more enamel cups, plenty of cups. There's more cups than we do people in the camper van, but there you go. A little drawer here, it's a rubbish drawer. The things that just get thrown in everywhere. It's a right mess. We've got Camper Fan Festival air fresheners. Oh, we do have some nice, you see that Whitby? Some nice Whitby cup coasters. That's something to go at. Another torch, just in case. Kids like messing with that one, so I'm surprised it still works. Under here, in this cupboard, in fact it's probably best to show you inside this cupboard. So in this double cupboard we have some very important things, some cooking utensils, kettle, some tea bags for the missus, dustpan and brush, a ridge monkey, I'm sure a lot of you know what they are, and then over here I've left a lot of space in this kind of area because we need the floor space to pull out as water bottle. So that's where we fill his bottle up. It's not a massive bottle, but it does get us through. I mean, if we're camping for a weekend, we can definitely get by with that bottle. And then that bottle feeds our sink at the top. So this is the kind of setup they have for us kitchen. And then we've put those back down again. We have a TV, DVD player, which to be quite honest doesn't get that much use. It's more useful when the kids are in the back if we're travelling anywhere, a bit of a long journey, we can put a DVD on. So in the front of the kitchen unit you can see we have a little bit of a stored table just down here. That comes out and fits on the rail just above these cupboards, and we use that really for only breakfast time a lot of times to get the kids sat there eating a toast. We've got a refrigerator and it's really fantastic at keeping everything cold, but it's not the most efficient, so I am looking to change my refrigerator over if anybody has any suggestions and ideas for me. Some more storage beneath the 3/4 rock and roll bed where I put my electric hookup wires, with more sockets and JBL speakers. And this is me on the 3/4 rock and roll bed. Now I am quite a big lad, but luckily there's plenty of room for me and my missus to be staying camping out on a night time, and it is very, very comfortable. Now over here we have a little bit more storage, and this is where I keep all my festival flags. So if you do see our van at festival, you'll see us flags first, to be honest with you. So have a look out for our flags if anybody's at any of our festivals, and come and say hello. Up above us here we have the power management system, and it's a bog standard PMS 3H. A lot of caravans and camper vans have these in. They work, not the best thing, but it gets the job done. And this is the first floor of the camper van. I'm on the pop-top bunk. This is normally where the kids sleep. 2 daughters sleep up here. I have slept up here. It will hold me, luckily enough. Yeah, it's a nice little place because they have a little bit of mood lighting effects, and these vents do open. Let a bit of fresh air in and have a look at the views. Upstairs. There's not a great deal to show around the cab of the van, but I've got some nice T4 carpets down, a pole ball gear knob stick. I have a flocked dashboard, a doubled-in Alpine head unit, and the passenger seat is a swivelly captain seat. Through the rear tailgate we have 2 seats here for someone with a very small bum. A cupboard with our gas bottle for his cooking appliance. We have an old solar controller that's out of use at the minute. We've got a lot better system set up, and a leisure battery, and a few more little bits that we'll need there for power. And then a cupboard which is mainly full of my maintenance and cleaning kit, and some buckets and spades. Well, I did say it'd be a short video tour. There's not much of a van to show you around to make a longer video, but when we get the extension put on and the loft conversion, we'll do you another video so you can take a look around then. Until then, see you all later. Happy camping.